Throughout this video, I'll be demonstrating both techniques, using cages and using thread, so you can clearly see how the process works. Now, let me make one thing very clear. I personally find these birds absolutely beautiful, and I love watching them. Please remember, never catch birds without a real need. Only do this when survival truly depends on it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the full video without skipping. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because creating videos like this takes a lot of effort, and your support means the world to us.